The 7 knots you need to know. First, square knot. Type, binding. Use, boating, sailing, medical home and garden. Application, joining two ends of a line around an object. Second, glove hitch. Type, hitch. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor home and garden. Application, securing a lane to an object. Third, sheet bend. Type, bend joining. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor home and garden. Application, join two lines of different diameters and types. Port, bowline. Type, loop. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor home and garden. Application, forming a fixed loop at the end of a line. Fifth, figure 8 loop. Type, loop. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor climbing. Application, forming a fixed loop at the end of a line. Six, round turn 2, 1.5 hitches. Type, hitch. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor home and garden. Application, securing a line to an object. 7, taut line hitch. Hitch adjustable hoop. Use, boating, sailing, outdoor home and garden. Application, adjust tension on a line.